Hey YouTube, this is the first ever housekeeping video that I've ever shot. Mainly because, number one, I want to say thank you. Not too long ago, we topped 20,000 subscribers and we are well over 8 million hits, and for that I am incredibly grateful. Making this my full-time gig from here on out, and a lot of that is thanks to you all. I mean, thanks for the support, for 9 years of amazing interaction, and it's just about the coolest thing I can come up with. Number two, I want to let you know I'm going to be out of pocket for a couple of weeks. So from February 1st to February 18th, I'm not going to be able to answer your questions. Don't worry though, you can keep asking. It's just I'm going to have to do it when I get back. So go ahead, keep asking, commenting, and I do have videos that are already in the pipeline that Ricky is going to take care of posting for me on my regular schedule. And the last note is I did make some changes to my Patreon page. You can now offer sponsorship. No, that's not right. I'm offering sponsorship. You're off. We don't know. All right, we can now do it on a month-to-month basis instead of just by the video. I'm going to be working on getting some pretty fun behind-the-scenes stuff on Patreon for my supporters. Oh, hello, Boudin. And the kids and I are going to continue making videos for you all year long. We post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 o'clock in the morning. And if there's anything you want to see, shoot me a message. I'll see what I can do. That's it.